Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In today's video, we're going to be installing these beautiful header guards from AltRider. You can get header guards from all kinds of places. These are a little more expensive than usual, but they are really, really nice. And you've got A for Adam on the side. So if you want your motorcycle to be Adam branded, this is the only one you can really get is Adam branded. And I don't get any kickbacks, so I should probably talk to them about that. So what happens to the headers? Well, you know, the thing is, these chrome headers that come on the USA bikes, they start discoloring anyway from right from the first few hundred miles. You can already see it starting to yellow there. All you're really doing by installing header guards is keeping rock pits from getting in them. But here's the thing. I love how these looks. I'm installing them anyway. But if you look at a set of 35,000 mile, 6-year-old headers on a R1250GS, they look bad anyway. Like, they look bad. So, I don't know. I mean, it's fine. These are one of those things that I like doing on the bike because I have in past GSs, I've had a lot of rock pits, but a rock has never like shattered my headers. It's just pitted it. And so if you want something that looks gnarly on your bike, it's like a Jeep thing. Then these are pretty cool to get on the bike. I will say this, for the install, it's really hard to get these on the headers if you have lower crash bars installed. It's just hard to get to everything. And so I'd recommend removing the lower crash bars first, which is pretty easy. It's a T40 up here, a T50 right there, dead center, and then a T50 back here, and that OEM bar will come right off. And then AltRider includes these clamps, which are a flathead screwdriver. So you're gonna loosen this up. You're gonna get these into place, and then you're just going to fasten them up. Let's do it. And here it is. So this one only has room for 5 of these guard pieces. I think it looks gnarly. Some people hate it. Most people that have seen these videos have commented that this looks stupid. I like it a lot, so here it is. Super easy to do though. You're using these to put the clamps through, come around the back side, and then do the flathead on the rear. And now you've got this perfectly in place. Let's do the other side now. Well, there's the other side. So pretty much as high as it can go. This header tube actually flattens out at the top there. It makes it hard to do, but as long as it's circle, you can get in there. It's tight. Go all the way down. Again, 5 links to get to the bottom of that cross pipe, and it's pretty. I like it a lot. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I'll link to this below where you can buy it.